Welcome to Vision Expenses, starting an expense report from an existing expense report. Vision allows you to start a new expense report using an existing report. This can be useful if you have recurring expenses such as travel to field locations, or in this example, a weekly training class. Click on the Travel and Expense Self-Service tile on your Vision homepage. The Travel and Expense Self-Service Center opens defaulted to the Create Modify Expense Report page. If you are an expense approver, your default page is your work list, and you will need to expand the Expense Report menu and click on Create Modify an Expense Report. The page defaults to the Add a New Value tab, and your employee ID number is preloaded. Click on Add. If you do have a travel authorization that has not been attached to an expense report, you'll receive the following message. Click OK. Expand the Quick Start menu. Select an existing report and click Go. A list of expense reports you have created opens. You can narrow the list by entering a range of dates and clicking on Search. Click the Select button next to the appropriate expense report. The lines from the existing expense report have been pulled into the new expense report. At this point, you can go in and modify any of the information. For example, you will at least have to change all of the expense dates. Once all edits have been made to reflect the current expenses, you can save the report for later or submit it for approval. The report is assigned a unique report ID number, which we can see up in the top center. You have now created an expense report from an existing expense report. To get help while working in Vision, visit our webpage at finance.vermont.gov for manuals, job aids, how-to guides, and more. If you can't find what you need there, email the help desk at vision.finhelpdesk@vermont.gov or call the help desk directly at 802-828-6700 and select option 2.